Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good today. Well, today's video is related to one of my favorite eye makeup look which I love creating, and I hope you guys will also like this look. Well, this is a hello eye look, and I've specifically created this look for the people who have hooded eyes like me. Yeah, let's just get started and let me tell you guys how I created this look. And if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Let's just begin the video. So at the beginning, I always love doing my eyebrows before the eye makeup. So right now I'm just brushing my eyebrow hairs, and then I would be filling my eyebrow using eyebrow pencil, which is from NYX Cosmetics. Applying the concealer on my eyelid, so using any concealer brush or eyeshadow brush, you can apply it. You can also use your finger. Now I would be very gently just blending the concealer so that there are no harsh lines, and all the concealer is spread on my eyelids and there is no cracks or harsh lines on my eyelid. Here I'm using a Fit Me loose powder, which is from Maybelline. You can use any loose powder. I would be applying it on my eyelid, and I would be making sure that it covers all the eyelid wherever I have applied the concealer, so that it can give a nice smooth texture to my eyelid. Now the products which I would be using is a Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette and loose pigment from Sleek. So the first shade which I am taking is a brown shade from the Wet n Wild palette, and I would be making a little dots on my crease so that I know that where exactly I want to highlight my crease. And this is useful for me at the end where I will be creating a halo eye, and I would be cut creasing my eye so that I will be having an idea that where exactly I want to make my crease. Now using a big blending brush, I would be blending my eyeshadow and just keep blending it. Now using a small eyeshadow brush, I would be taking a different shade from the Wet n Wild palette, which is a kind of pink shade, and you can play around with any colors, but I'm just creating this specific look which is my all-time favorite look. It's kind of neutral look which goes with all your outfit, whether it's Indian or Western, so that's why I'm creating this look. Now using this pink shade, I would be applying it on my outer corners and just taking a very little bit eyeshadow, and then using this small blending brush, I would be blending it. Now same thing I would be doing on the inner corners, and I would be blending it. So make sure you're just blending the eyeshadow on your inner corners and on your outer corners. Let me tell you a little bit about what are hooded eyes. So hooded eyes are the one where you don't see your crease automatically. You have to create a fake crease, and your eyes are touching your eyebrow bone. So that are hooded eyes, and I have exactly the same eye, so I have to fake my crease sometimes. Using a concealer brush, I would be marking that where exactly I want to make my crease. I will be just applying the concealer, and you can use fingers, you can use brush. So right now I'm using a brush, and later I would be carrying forward with a finger so that it is easily blended on my eye, and just dabbing it so that it gets blended with my eyeshadow and it looks natural. Now once that is done, I am using a loose pigment from the Sleek, and then I would be applying it on the center part of my eye. And now I'm focusing on the outer corners of my eyes, that is the inner corner and the outer corner. You don't have to take an extra eyeshadow, just use the same eyeshadow brush which you used, and then keep blending your inner corners and the outer corners so that it gives you a kind of halo effect on your eye, and it looks kind of natural that the center part is highlighted, and whereas your inner corners and your outer corners are kind of a little deeper. For the lower lash line, what I'm doing is I'm using that pink shade, and I am using a pencil brush to apply it on my lower lash line. Now for the waterline, I'm using a NYX pencil in bronzer. Now what this does is it really opens up your eye and it will give you a really nice effect on your eyes. So that's why I'm using a bronzer shade on my eyes. Now I would be curling my eyelashes, and you can use any mascara. I'm using Damn Girl mascara from Too Faced, and I would be applying it on my eyelashes. I always spend most of the time in applying the mascara on my eyelashes. So do you see the difference? It gives you a huge difference. Now for the eyelashes, I am using a Brazen eyelashes from Black Label, and for the lower lash line, I am using Lash Sensational mascara from Maybelline. I'm also using a highlighter from CoverGirl, and I would be applying it on my brow bone. This is the easy peasy eye makeup. So do you guys see it? Like, I think it hardly took 5 minutes to create this look. You can carry this look wherever you want, wherever you feel like carrying this look, and this look doesn't take too much of your time. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.